Hey, the Cave Junkie here. So, apparently there's a weird TikTok trend, and I figured I'd show you how to get yourself prepared to record the trend so that you can get that clout. Alright, let's go. First, what you do is you find a good place for dirt, like here, but I'm gonna find something better than that. Here we go. Some nice dirt here. Yeah. And just put some of that on your face. I'm not going to because I just don't feel like it. Well, never mind. Wait, yeah, I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, you just put dirt on your face and pretend that you're what's the word? A Jewish person in Auschwitz from the Holocaust. There you go. And you give it the tag Holocaust and POV and Jew and dead and dying and other ridiculous tags. And that way you can get that clap.